let's see today's recipe of peanut sauce, which can be used as a dip or for satay. Now here I have half a cup of raw peanuts that I'm just going to dry roast in a pan. Once they're roasted, let them come to room temperature, and then you're just going to grind them to a very fine powder. Now next, we're going to make the coconut milk. For that, I've used half a cup of fresh coconut and 1/4 cup of water, ground it, and then I'm just going to squeeze out all the coconut milk through a sieve. If you're using ready-made coconut milk, then 1 cup of coconut milk is fine. Now for the other ingredients. In a bowl, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup, next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now if you don't have brown sugar, you can go with regular sugar too, but the brown sugar just adds a little extra flavor. Now mix all these ingredients together and then add some salt to taste, and again whisk the mixture really well. Now I've taken a pan and I'm going to add the coconut milk. I haven't turned the flame of the gas yet on. I'm just going to add the milk to the pan, and I'm going to add this finely ground peanut powder. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And then I'm going to add the mixture that we made with all the ginger garlic paste and the soya sauce, the Tabasco sauce, the pepper, etc. Mix everything well together. And then you're going to turn the flame on and you're going to cook this and reduce it to almost half, or let it thicken up. So I timed it, it came to exactly 6 minutes. So keep stirring on a low to medium flame and it should look like this, nice and thick, and your peanut sauce is all ready. Now I have put up a recipe for chicken satay with peanut sauce, so I'll leave a link to that below. You can go and check it out, it's super delicious. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for visiting my channel and watching my recipe. I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care guys. See ya.